his right rear is not even touching the ground.
I know. What about that one? He's in the dirt. Dig him. Going down. Don't go too far back.
This is where Joshua got himself into last time.
Go a little bit more. He has to go driver. He's getting around this rock. This bumper, don't worry about it.
Hard passenger. Horse, can you go back more?
We want to stack some rocks for him now.
Can he go back past that rock and get a line to come through gears? Go back a little more, Gilbert. Alright, stop there. Don't move. Don't run over the whittle. What's this landscaping bullshit?
Hey, that GoPro, you ought to be good at that. You're the construction.
Hey, I got this one going though.
Oh wait, Jeep needs all the help it can.
I'll delete that after.
No custom editing.
Yeah.
It's just gonna cut and he's already at the top.
That was easy.
There's a string on his GoPro mount. If that fucker pops off, at least he can tie it to his light bar.
Oh yeah.
Otherwise he'll lose it.
Gilbert, run your left front tire right over the top of this rock.
Give it gas. There you go.
Don't run the middle over.
Hug that butt! Ow.
Hey, you. What's behind it? Back up a little bit. No, turn your wheels. Turn your wheels, passenger. Hard right. Now go hard driver and bring your front end over. Oh, I'm sorry, hard passenger. Backwards.
There you go.
All the way passenger.
Yeah, hard right. Hard right and back up. Here?
No.
There you go.
Now go back a little bit. More.
Good.
Right there. Gilbert, your line. You want your right front or left front tire? Climb right up here.
Wow.
This side of this rock.
He's getting sucked into that hole he does.
Yeah.
Back up a little. Back up the shoulder.
Some more landscaping?
Should we scrap it?
Too far.
Can I get around Josh?
Josh, he's coming. Try it again. Same line.
See, you missed it. You went right into that vertical I was telling you about. You need to be more...
Just hit the bush.
I'm going to climb this, the one next to it. There you go.
Yeah.
Drive her a little bit. Come straight up. Roll back a little bit, Gilbert. Put a little more oomph into it. Roll back a little more. Right there.
Now go.
Straight up.
He's where he wants to be, though.
Yeah, outside, he's got nothing now.
Yeah, but he needs to go up and then come this way. He's got 3 out of 4.
Here, Joshua, stand on top of that tire. You're really going to do that?
I'll stand on it. Shit. And when it's standing on this side, I'll stand on your shoe.
Yeah, how fast can you run?
How fast can you fly?
You're almost there. You'll have to regroup, try again.
Oh, you buckled your fender flares.
It's all good.
Tires are finished.
Oh, it'll flex back. I warned him.
There you go. Too far back.
You know what I mean? It's either that or we'll have to put some rocks. Hey Kevin, what about if we put some rocks in front of this vertical? And then for him to crawl up and then it'll let him move over.
This one?
Alright, come up like this. You want to point over here. That's it. That's how you break stuff. That's weak, John. Telepathy. Don't worry about the window.
I want to send you passengers this time right up this section here. It's a little off camera, but I want to be able to watch it on that side too. You're going to climb on the driver front.
He wore off that new tire look. Yep.
No.
Sooner or later it was going to happen.
Nice and easy.
Oh, wow.
Alright, something like that.
Are those four?
Back up a little bit, try again.
Big 37s?
35.
How come they look so much taller than my 35?
I know, huh?
Nice and easy.
You got taller now, but
Okay.
watch out front differential.
Stop. Go forward. Faster.
This got a 4-banger in it too.
It's real quiet.
Got a big flat front end.
Yeah.
Drop the rock in front of it.
Drop the lock. Just start moving, it'll lock.
There you go. Stay left. Stay left. Watch your back, Kevin.
Stay left, 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 left. Go, 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 go. Go, go.
Left, 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 left.